Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with the bank transfer on your GCash app and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix this issue. So basically what I did myself is that I firstly closed my GCash app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on your settings app, then what you're going to do in here is very simple. We're just going to scroll down in here and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is great. So now on this page, we're just going to scroll down and then click on storage in here. And then we're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load in here and then just scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search in here and just search for GCash and click on the GCash app. Then click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here and then click on the blue button here once again, and you're just going to simply now wait for your GCash app to completely update to its latest version, because by doing this you're going to actually fix or potentially fix this problem that you're having with the bank transfer. So do this and then when it's done just go back into the GCash app and hopefully now it's working for you as well.